What if I told you? There was a time when money didn't exist. No coins, no paper notes, no stock market. Yet people still traded. This is the complete history of trading in 5 minutes. Thousands of years ago, people used something called the barter system. If you had wheat and needed milk, you would exchange wheat for milk. Simple, right? But there was a problem. What if the milk seller didn't need wheat? Barter worked, but if it was inconvenient, people need something better. Around 600 BC, metal coins changed everything. Gold and silver became valuable because they were rare, durable, easy to carry. Now, instead of trading goods, people traded value. Coins made trade faster and more efficient. For the first time, money was born. Carrying gold everywhere was risky, so government introduced paper money. Paper represented gold stored in bank. Trade became easier, safer, faster. Market expand across countries. Global trade was growing. In the 1600s, something revolutionary happened. Companies starting sharing ownerships. People could now invest in business. Stock exchanges was formed. For the first time, ordinary people could grow wealth through investing. Trading was no longer goods, it was ownerships. As global trade expanded, currencies began trading against each other. This created the forex market. Today, forex is the largest financial market in the world, trading trillions of dollars. It runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Crypto era. In 2009, Bitcoin was invented for the first time. Money existed without a central bank. It was digital, decentralized, borderless, from physical goods to digital code. From the Asian village exchanges wheat and milk to traders buying digital assets on their phones. The history of trading is the history of human innovation. The tools changed, speed changed, technology changed, but one thing never changed. Human always searched for opportunity, and now you are part of that story.